This time we have problem which is simply the sum of the cubes. Why? Because we can rewrite 8 as 2 to the third power, copy down a to the third, plus 27 you can write as 3 to the third power and b to the third. Next, I'm supposed to use the properties of exponents and simply rewrite this problem as 2a to the third power plus 3b to the third power. Next, I'm supposed to use the formula for the sum of the cubes. So, I'm going to have this term is going to be represented by a from my formula, and this term is going to be represented by b from my formula, this one. And I'm going to have, formula says, a plus b. So I have 2a plus 3b. Next, formula says I have to square a. That's why I'm going to have 2a to the second power minus ab. So I'm going to have 2a, because a is my 2a, and b is 3b, plus b square close parenthesis. Okay, next we're supposed to perform the operations with exponents and multiplication. That's why I'm going to have 2a plus 3b times 2 to the second power is going to be equal 4a squared, because I have to raise also a to the second power, negative times positive is going to give me negative. 2 times 3 gives me 6. A times b is ab, plus 3 to the second power is equal 9b squared. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to deal with cubes. I'm going to rewrite this problem as x to the cube minus 5 to the cube, because 5 to the third power is equal 125. I have difference of perfect cubes. That's why I'm going to use this formula in order to factorize this problem. X is going to be my a, and 5 is going to be my b. This is going to be equal, open parenthesis, a minus b. In my case, this is going to be x minus 5. Close parenthesis, open parenthesis, a squared plus ab. So I'm going to have x squared plus 5x. X times 5 is x5, but in mathematics we write number first. That's why I wrote 5x. Plus b squared plus 5 squared. Okay, now let's perform this operation with exponent. I'm going to have x minus 5, and I have x squared plus 5x plus 25. This is the solution to my problem.